Hello, my name is Espoir Mbonyingabo. I am the founder and CEO of iHuz Solutions, and I'm here with
Barbara Asaba, the CEO of iHuz.
So iHuz Solutions is a tech startup that is setting out to revolutionize supply chain management with blockchain technology. We're trying to enable our clients to monitor the entire supply chain smartly at a glance. Our blockchain-powered platform is going to bolster efficiency and agility. Our vision is to digitize supply chain in Uganda using cutting-edge technology to inspire transparency and trust into the marketplace. With our extensive research, we have found out three major problems within the supply chain industry in Uganda. Problem number one is lack of product traceability. There have been factual claims in Uganda of food insecurities as reported by the Daily Monitor and New Vision. These are the renowned and reputable news outlets here in Uganda. And this is especially due to limited collaboration and coordination amongst business owners. Problem number two is slow processes. For instance, to retract a product, it takes an average of about 2 to 3 days to get to that product. Problem number three is lack of control on safety and quality of goods. Today, a large number of producers, manufacturers, suppliers, and retailers do not actually use any mechanism to monitor their supply chain. According to our survey, only a few users use Microsoft Excel, and only one respondent uses SAP, that's Systems, Applications and Products. We have several ways we're going to address these issues. Barbara will take us through.
Thank you, Espoir. We are actually looking at three key aspects. And the first one is the establishing of the source of information. With the deployment of smart contracts and also of decentralized records, we believe that we shall be able to establish the immutable ledger of the transactions. So the other thing that we're actually looking at is risk and quality monitoring. And with this, just imagine this, a farmer in any village should be able to track his strawberry seedlings all the way from his supplier up to his farm, and all this at a glance. Any change in the information he'll be able to track. The other thing that we are looking at is status tracking. Like Espoir was saying, it takes 2 to 3 days. So imagine, we want to reduce this. We'll be able to track a faulty product from 3 days to 3 seconds.
Our target market is at a wide range of manufacturers, producers like farmers. We are also looking at retailers and wholesalers. And these people, they will be able, these organizations, these companies, they will be able to track and trace their supply chain literally at their fingertips. Our business model is we have three main revenue streams. Number one is licenses. We're going to be selling licenses. Number two is usage fee. We're going to be charging a fee when they upgrade to more sophisticated features. Number three is going to be subscriptions. We're going to also charge a subscription fee for those who are going to access and distribute information. Our costs are going to be majorly going into the capital needs, and the heavy investment is going to go into the purchasing of the source code and its development, which is roughly about $15,000. And our fixed and variable costs, they are going to be at about $3,000 per month.
So what we are asking for is a financial investment of $26,000. But we also have other needs. What else do we need?
We need people who have expertise both in blockchain technology and supply chain management. We also need connections. We need people who are already involved in the industry. We need people who are the players in the industry to be able to enable our clients to achieve this that we are giving out. We have been forging a partnership with IBM, that's International Business Machines, one of the world's leading company in this, both in supply chain actually, and in blockchain based solutions. So join us as we enable our clients to monitor their entire supply chain smartly at a glance, and as we move Uganda's economy and the region's economy to the next global level. Thank you.